Hey, I hope you're all doing well. So I'm working on some new prints. These are actually a little bit older, and I think I printed these out one of the first couple prints that I ever did on the Mars One. So I fished them out of an old folder and I fixed them up a little bit, and I'm gonna print them out on my new printer, the Saturn 4, and hopefully they come out better than they had previously. These are the hollowed out versions. And let me show you guys what the supports look like. Now this is for resin printing. I know most of you probably are using FDM printers. And for resin, I usually over support. I usually go a little crazy with the supports because I just hate print failures. So this is what it looks like ready to go to the printer. I'll probably lay these out a little bit different. But I'll check back with you when when these come out, hopefully. All right, so I got them mostly cleaned up, most of the supports off. I still got to go in with an X-Acto knife and deal with the supports in the mouth. And there's still some cleanup, scratch marks from the supports, but the paint will cover up a lot of that. The feet on the SpongeBob are actually a little rough, and I had to sand in there. And it's still not standing up great, but I probably should have hollowed these feet out like I did for Patrick. But they stand up fine enough, and you can always attach them to a base as well. So I'll check back in after I have a couple coats of paint on these guys. All right, fresh out of the airbrush booth. This one's still drying a little bit, but just to let you know what I did, Patrick I hit with this like flesh tone color. I don't know how well you can see. And then I did a wash with like a red mixed with this flesh tone color watered down to try to get in the crevices and highlight some of this texture. And then for SpongeBob, I used this kind of like light brown tannish color, and I'm planning on doing like a dry brush over it. I'm kind of making this all up as I go along, so we'll see how it all turns out. All right, here is the finished product, or at least it's done for now. It took a very, very long time to paint these guys up, and it always takes a little bit longer than you think it's gonna take, but lots of little tiny parts to try to squeeze the tip of the brush into. I did end up putting SpongeBob on an extra like wargaming base that I had laying around because I wasn't happy with the balancing issues. He kept falling over. So, yep, this is what it looks like. So some stuff I might do to these guys. They probably could use a clear coat. I might end up adding some like flock or texture to the base of SpongeBob, but calling it done for now. If you guys want to grab these, I'm putting them up for free. The link will be in the description. Go ahead, grab them. If you do print them out, tag me, please. I'd love to see what you guys do. And that's all for now. Happy printing and painting.